Printing blocks were one of the earliest ways to reproduce text and images, revolutionizing communication. Centuries ago, artisans in ancient China and other cultures developed this method to share knowledge, religious texts, and official announcements with more people than ever before. To create a printing block, skilled carvers would select hardwood, often choosing species like pear or jujube for their smooth, durable grain. Using fine tools, they carefully carved letters, symbols, or detailed illustrations into the wood surface. Each block required patience and precision, with every line and curve crafted in reverse so the final impression would read correctly. Once carved, the raised surfaces of the block were coated with ink using rollers. This step demanded consistency to ensure the ink covered every detail without blotting or missing edges. The block was then pressed evenly onto a sheet of paper. Macro details reveal how the ink settled into the paper's fibers, creating sharp edges and subtle textures unique to each impression. This technique allowed for pages to be reproduced reliably, making books and printed materials accessible beyond the elite. The ability to duplicate information accelerated the spread of ideas and laid the foundation for mass communication. Wooden printing blocks profoundly shaped the evolution of typography and graphic design, influencing how letters and images were created and reproduced for centuries. Their legacy lives on as a true precursor to modern printing technologies. The printing block fades into darkness. Tiny Fax Studio remains visible at the bottom center,